Hi family, welcome to my channel. Skeem Saam actor Oratile, who played the role of Eunice on Skeem Saam, she took her friends by surprise as she talked to social media and announced to her friends that she is now a Sangoma. Friends that are surprised because they did not even notice that Oratile is on the journey of answering her ancestors' call. Now, she talked to social media and posted some pic of herself dressing Sangoma attire and announcing that she is now a Sangoma. Now, you guys, others is happy for Oratile and her new journey. Now, you guys, in other news, congrats to Mahlatsi Robert, who is well known as Limpopo Boys. He talked to social media and announced that he bought a new car and he thanked God for the new car. He posted the pic of himself and Singer Makazi and another Limpopo Boys, as we know that there are two of them. Now, you guys, congrats to Mahlatsi Robert. Now, comment down below, subscribe, join the family tea, and the bell for notification. See you on my next upload. Bye.